Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at the Japanese yen, so we're relatively rare looking at this currency, but here is another interesting setup that I would like to show you. And this setup is has some nuances that really makes it, I think it's important, and it really could bring very interesting price action in the nearest future. Speaking on our yesterday's trading of the dollar index, so you can see that market has hit the target, so the setup has been completed. And on the dollar index right now, we're just need to watch for any bullish reversal patterns that could be formed there, because here guys, it will be useful if you will recall our monthly analysis of the dollar index, and you'll see that the lows when the market stands right now is actually the long-term trend line support on the monthly chart. So market has formed a bearish reversal swing, and overall construction on the dollar index suggests that within a few months probably it could start really big reversal on the dollar index, because after the first reversal swing usually deep retracement up will follow. Now it's just a question where it will start, either from current level 89.65 or it will drop to 88.15. This is next target of the butterfly that we have talked about. But this is just technical issue, because it will not make any impact on overall situation on the monthly chart. So on the dollar index, we just now will be watching for possible reversal patterns that will be formed there. Meantime, while we are waiting for these reversal patterns, I offer you this nice picture that you can see on the Japanese yen. It's very cool. So you can see that we have actually got this triple-2 buying pattern that has been formed on a daily chart. And first up, ABCD action down, AB and CD legs approximately harmonic, even the CD legs slightly slower. Market has completed OP target slightly below the major fib support, 10-14 area. Creates the agreement support with the fib level. But what is the nuance here we have? If you guys will take a look at the monthly chart on the Japanese yen, you will see that these lows and overall this rally actually is the monthly bullish grabber. So it has been completed. Market after that has formed this retracement down, but the lows are still valid. And it means that the bullish grabber that has been formed on the monthly chart is also valid. It means that it could trigger upward action above the highs that has been formed prior to the grabber period, so above these tops. So that is approximately 115 area. As you can see, potential really is thrilling, right? So it's very important. And in general, market here, so overall price action looks very nice. The major risk here exists that market could move slightly lower here, because if we'll take a look at on the intraday charts, we will do it a bit later, you'll see that the section is really fast, and maybe market will not stop at the OP, although this is really strong support. Maybe it will move slightly lower before any reversal will happen. That is another point where we should keep an eye on the possible bullish patterns. So, and this mostly agrees with the idea on the dollar index, right? So, reversal here to the upside is the weakness of the Japanese yen. It agrees with the reversal upside on the dollar index and the strength of the United States dollar. And this really brings some great agreement in the different currencies in the dollar index. I think that's a really important relation right now that we see here. So bullish patterns, potentially bullish patterns, are forming in the both charts. Here is just the small details that we need to keep an eye on to catch the particular moment where this could happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, this butterfly is forming. This minor butterfly but it's already has hit the 117 extension 109.83. But this is really steep action. It's very fast. That's why I'm not exclude the chance that maybe it will be here, 109.40 area. So 40 pips lower probably could reach the 618. That in turn, as you know, the butterflies very often becomes the parent of them. Something greater, maybe hand shoulders pattern will be formed. Here, guys, we don't need to be hurry because we are dealing with the really big time frames, with the monthly time frame, the daily time frame. Dealing with these time frames, you do not need trying to catch some reversal patterns on the 5-minute chart, trying to watching for some small hand shoulders and some maybe got this triple to buy or something like that. This reversal pattern here that could trigger the real upward action should be extended. The market needs some time to adapt to current support, to form the reversal, to prepare for reversal. That's why usually when you have the bullish pattern for buying, taking long position here, around the point where this could start, you should get the clear sign that indeed upward action has started. So in our case, in the 4-hour time frame chart, this could be maybe hand shoulders pattern. At least we could use the Chart Napoli tool as the minesweeper entry technique. So you need to wait the first upward swing. Trend should turn bullish, and then you can try to take the position on the retracement. It will be preferable if the upward swing will be reversal. So if market will show real signs of thrust up, and then you could try and take the position on some retracement. That's better to watch for on the Japanese yen. Do not try to anticipate this reversal because, so as I said, monthly time frame is rather long-term perspective, and there even minor volatility could lead to significant swings on the daily and intraday charts. That's why, for example, here you will get the significant action against you, but on the monthly charts will be just small action that even will be not recognizable on the scale of the monthly chart. So on the hourly chart, guys, today you also could keep an eye on this action. So here, as market is coming to 127 extension, has been hit. Market also has completed the OP target, as you can see in support. Probably this here could become the small, at least small retracement. So maybe it will be greater, but anyway, here you could keep an eye on the bread and butter trade. So if bread and butter will appear and will be formed, that will give you two-side opportunity. First of all, you could take the short position, and if market indeed will drop to 1618, you will get some more profit than just in a simple bread and butter trade. So if market will reverse from this point directly, so it will not show the action to the 1618, you will get just simple bread and butter trade. So that's very good opportunity. Now just we need to wait if this will be formed or not. But mostly, guys, this is just technical, so a small tactical step that's developed within the 1-2 sessions. It could be traded isolatedly without taking a look at the daily chart. But for me, guys, it's more interesting. It's what will happen here because it corresponds to the idea on the dollar index, and it's really too fast appreciation of the Japanese yen and the euro currency, and too fast drop on the dollar. And that has been done mostly just on expectations that investors expect that central banks will unwind their quantitative easing policy and will turn to some hawkish steps in their policy, and that triggers these rallies across the board. But no steps have been taken yet, and this appreciation is more than sufficient just for trading the anticipation of this. That's why I think that the chance on the big retracement here is really significant. And the technical pictures also suggest that, especially on the monthly chart of the dollar index. So let's see what will happen.